this is Secret the Heart, and I'm sharing a box from Archer and Olive. I don't always show like journaling type stuff. Every once in a while I do. But my love of all things book truly exists, and so I do have a lot of Archer and Olive journals. I love them. They're beautiful to write in, but I had stopped buying the subscription box just because it was just too much. But I saw this one and I had to have it. So they do a quarterly box. It's not cheap. It's like $79, $75 or something like that. It's expensive. But this box I had to have. I don't really plan on buying another box unless it's like another library of book box. But it comes in this beautiful box designed with books all around it. I don't always keep the boxes that things come in, even if they're really cool. But this one I am keeping. So I'm going to keep everything in the box right now because I don't know what I'm doing with what. But I did want to share this with you in case you guys have a love of books as well. So the first thing is I love the card. So the card tells me everything that's in it. This is the vintage library stationery box. It tells me what is in the box, but we're going to go over it anyways. I am going to open some of these items because I do want to see what they all are. So, like I said, it's expensive. It's high quality. I mean, it's really beautiful notebooks. I mean, they are really beautiful. But definitely you got to pay for what you get. So here we go. So we're going to start with the main notebook. And this one is they say it's a buckram notebook. It's in an A5, I think. So it comes in this actual like book style box. And here it is. Isn't it? It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. It says it's a coated cotton. Buckram is a coated cotton. That normally covers, it does feel like a book that some of the books are covered in. And it's a dotted notebook, and I love it. I love it. I love that it's like a book. I have no idea what I'm going to write in here because it's so beautiful. I don't know if I want to use it. So I'm just super thrilled with the notebook. It does feel like a book, like the way that books were made back when. Okay, so then there's these little notebooks, and I don't even know what size these little ones are, like pocket size, I guess. Pocket size notebooks. I think that one was an A5 that I had. This one is pocket size. But look, it looks like if you've had this on your shelf, it would look like a book, right? And then even this way. So you pull them out, and they also, it feels like they're made out of that same buckram. And they're dotted, and so this is what this one looks like. And then this one feels more like a linen, and then this one feels like a faux leather, but it's all like embossed. So amazing. I am so excited because these are so beautiful. This is noted, and this one is back. Okay, so there's that. And then we get book and typewriter stickers. Everything is packaged like beautifully as well. So typewriter font. These are all typewriter font. Alphabet stickers. Okay. And then we get this decorative tape. Set of 4, like washi style tape. It's like, how do I open this without like totally like destroying? Oh, here we go. Destroying the box. Okay. So here they are, the different tapes. So they kind of vary in size. So you have this one is stars, and then this one is like what you'd find in old school book spines. And then this one is books, just like books on a bookshelf. And then this one is really cute because you can really use this. It's currently reading from the Library of Book Review. So that's so cute. Okay. All right. So there's that. And then this one, it's funny because I don't really use these in the library anymore. Every so often I use them, but my date stamp only goes up to like 2020 or 2021 or something like that. So you get a little foam ink pad, but then you get a date stamp. So you can do all your dates. I think it goes up to like 2035 or something. It goes up pretty good, and you just change the dates, and then you can stamp your journals with the date that you want. So I was excited about this. It's got the Arts and Olive because, like I said, I mean, I have used these. I don't use these very much anymore. Every so often I do use it, or I have used it. Okay, and then oversized book clips. Oh, I love these. I use these in the library all the time. I love these oversized book clips where you can just like clip, you know, really see the clip. But yeah, you get 2 of these. Yay. So that's exciting. I do like these. That was another thing. I thought everything in this box was very practical. Like practical. You get their this is a water-based ink. This is not their acroglyphs. These are the calligraphs or whatever. And so the colors match in this mocha, golden brown, yellow ochre, slate blue, and umber. So the colors sort of match that vintage library. And so these are really lovely pens. And so they have like 2 different tips. You can write very nicely with them. I'm very happy to have these. And then you've got more of a fine point. So excited about that. That came, I left one in there, but you can see the colors are very much matching the colors that are in this vintage library. And make sure all these caps are on well because I don't want them drying out. And then we've got the last thing. And I don't know what I love more, the notebooks, the date stamp, or the washi, or this notebook. Like you can see this notebook. One of the admin bought there's only 3 librarians in our district, but bought all 3 librarians this notebook from Out of Print, and it looks like a date card, and I use that thing quite often, actually. I use it for specific things, but I really like this memo pad. And it's one of those things like, ooh, how will I use it? Do I want to use it? It's like a hoarding situation. And it's so hard to get this thing open without like tearing the box, because I also like all the packaging. So look, it's like a book card. Look at it. So cute. And there's different colors. So we have like a pink, a cream, and a white. I love it so much. So anyway, if this is something that you think might, float your boat, I think it's still available. And so, you always can cancel your subscription if it's, not something that you want to keep. That's right in here. But I think that this is probably the best box they've ever done. It's my absolute favorite by far, and I absolutely love it. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you guys just for a little something different. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Payne Heart.